Hi crafters, it's Chloe from Chloe's Creative Cards and I am back with day number 20 of the Papercraft Society Advent Calendar Box. How exciting is this? We are edging ever so much closer to Christmas and you have had lots of fabulous crafty goodies over the past 19 days, I think it'll be. So yeah, lots and lots of goodies. So let's open up today's wallet and have a little look at what is inside. So let's open this one up. You have got an A6 stencil. This is going to be fantastic for embossing with your rubber mat and your die cutting machine. You can be popping your paste through or your stencil paste and adding some glitter over the top. And of course you could be inking with your blending brushes too, which would look absolutely fabulous. Now for all the stencil is A6 in size, if you wanted to kind of extend it and make it a little bit larger, you could do just by repeating that pattern and linking up the stencil each time to create a large background. We cannot wait to see what you create with this fantastic stencil, so please do share your makes on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram and tag the Papercraft Society. And I hope that you all have a fantastic Christmas and a very happy New Year.